guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another slime time. These are the slimes we made last episode, so make sure to go check it out. We made Floam, but now this time, also, last time was an abrupt ending because my camera turned off. But, yeah. But now we are making two different slimes, so we're not making the same kind of slime.
Riley is making a jiggly slime.
I'm attempting a jiggly slime. Emmy is attempting
to make a butter crunchy slime. So,
what is this color? Oh. Olive green. Let's just go with it. I'm just going to use it.
You're going to use it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me.
Because last episode I told Emmy, pick me a color while she was over there picking the colors, and she picked me this. Thank you, Emmy.
You're welcome.
How kind. Like, truly, how kind.
Okay. So, I have... Ow! I pinched myself, sorry. So, I've got this Model Magic clay. It's really pretty.
Yes, it looks better in real life.
It does.
Okay, I'm going to just go for it. Go, go, go.
Okay, me. Ew!
I didn't shake it, but...
It looks like doo-doo. Can I have that?
Yeah.
Ankle. Ankle.
Okay.
Ankle. Okay. It looks really gross.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Just what I was going for. Now, I'm not going to go rinse off my knife, so it's just going to have a tad bit of purple. Please, don't be that bad.
It's okay, Riley. We'll get through this. I might add a tiny bit.
Oh my god, it's actually not that bad.
It isn't?
Oh. Okay.
Weird.
Isn't it actually kind of pretty?
Yeah. It actually is kind of pretty.
Wowee!
Yay! Ow.
It's actually not that bad. It kind of reminds me of that one.
Okay. So here's my Model Magic. I think I'm going to add it in after.
Can I touch it?
Mm-hmm. I haven't even touched it yet.
Can I take it out?
Yeah.
I'll show them.
Where's my knife?
I was like, that was really scary.
Where's my
knife? But Model Magic is like entertainment enough.
Oh, yeah. I think I might add some lotion to it. Because that just makes it a million times better. Mix, 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 mix. Okay, I'm going to get my lotion.
Okay. Adding more of this.
Lotion, yay!
Oh,
Really? Okay.
it might be a tad overactivated. It's also quite deep. Emmy,
What?
can I pour some in yours?
No, 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 no.
You don't need any more?
No.
It's done already?
No.
Can I pour some in?
Fine.
Tell me when it's
A
good.
little bit. Don't get your gross grain in it. Good. Okay, so I'm just mixing my lotion into the Model Magic. Just a little piece because I don't know how much. Last time we tried to make it, it ended very.
This feels like that one slime fail apple. Feels exactly like that one slime that failed.
It does.
Yeah.
Great. Let's hope mine doesn't. Mix this in.
I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't think this is gonna work. This is exactly how that one fail slime felt.
Just keep going. See if it does. Okay. So, I think I might add a little bit more.
Oh yeah, if you don't know what slime fail I'm talking about, it was the attempted first episode of the slime thing, but I just ended up making my intro where I just ended up talking about it, and yeah.
let's put some more in.
It might be okay. It might be okay.
It might be good.
Oh wait, no. There's foam beads. Oh god, get them out.
Haha, there's one in mine.
There's so many flow beads in my bowl. How did I not notice these? It's very sticky.
Yeah.
I actually kind of like this color.
Okay, it's getting a lot better with Model Magic clay. So,
Can I feel it?
yeah. Not with your disgusting hand.
Ooh.
Feel this one between this one. Yeah, this one's harder, definitely. This one made it a lot better. Whoa, a lot better. I didn't notice that this is less good. Come on. Okay, so let me make my slime first.
Okay, yeah, I think it's fine.
Okay,
It's just
can I have
sticky.
Oh. Okay, what? I think mine's just gonna end up this color, but I like that color. It's very similar to that, which is not the greatest, but you know, it's okay.
Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work. Oh god, that was a lot. Why do I keep having this problem? Last episode I was fine. Maybe that's what's happened. Do one good, then one bad.
It's getting better, Riley. It's getting better.
Yeah,
Better, not good. I'm just kidding.
that's so mean.
Better.
It's actually a pretty nice color. It looks way better in real life. It's kind of almost bluish.
Yeah.
It's kind of teal,
Yeah.
but
Not really.
it's getting more teal.
Because of the blue. Tide. I think I might have overactivated this, but yeah, it's okay. I might need to add more glue. Because there's like barely any.
Yeah, you didn't make a lot of slime this time.
No, I tried to make it better, but no, it's not always great. Okay.
Also, I'm doing a Q&A, so if you have a couple questions,
Oh my
and by
God.
couple I mean really a couple, I'm not taking any more than 2 questions per person. So,
Sorry. It's getting a lot better. It's getting harder to mix, and it's kind of peeling off the glue. My arm really hurts. Oh, Judge! Come on. Okay. Still playing with my Model Magic over here. Okay, I need more activator, I think. Not too sticky.
also let us know whose slime you think is better at the end. Also, let us know if you like crunchy butter or jiggly.
Better.
Yeah.
Not just ours, like any crunchy butter, any jiggly. Oh, you got slime all over my hair. On my arm. 'Cause I'm hairy Larry.
You are very hairy.
I really am. If you guys ever find me, don't look at my legs.
They're so hairy. Your legs are crazy. Okay, I think mine's done. Look,
Mom doesn't let me shave now.
you're 8.
I'm 9.5.
No, you are not. I've had you in my life for only 8 years.
You don't know.
I would know because you're incredibly annoying. I'd know if you were there any longer.
Okay, this is getting really good. It's clumping, it's getting thicker, and it's really nice. It's good. It's a good thing indeed. This looks very, very white, but it's actually pretty blue. This is so nice. Look, it'll stretch, just not amazingly. Oh, that was pretty good. I want to make a bubble with it. Clay playing with. Okay, come on. Okay. That was the worst bubble ever. Make a
Okay.
sound. Aha, it popped.
Let me get it off my fingers.
Okay, I think it's good to play with now. Okay. I think I'm gonna play with it with one hand. One hand. Don't worry. I'm not a crazy person. Okay, just so if I need to add more Tide, which I always do.
Okay, mine's very liquidy still. I think I need to add more of this.
Ready, set, go.
Oh god, not that much.
Oh my god, early.
Spread it out.
That might not be the best jiggly slime you ever make.
Probably not. It might not even be the only jiggly slime I ever make. Also, let us know what other slimes you want us to try.
Yeah.
Try. Notice I didn't say make, I said try.
Okay, so I've always wanted to do like Insta Snow slime. Like,
Oh yeah, we were gonna make that once, right?
yeah.
But we couldn't find it.
Mm-mm. Where do you find that? Leave in the comments, please. I
Really?
want to know. 'Cause
I'm
it's
sure if we looked at Target, we don't want to look at Markles.
marbles. Like the marbles.
I love Markles.
I love marbles so much. Okay. Okay, can I have the Tide?
No.
Are you kidding me? I put it in my slime on accident. Oops.
I think mine's done. Okay. Now it's time to put it back in the bowl. Just when I said it was done.
Okay. It's probably too much.
Okay, I'm gonna add just a little bit more Tide. Watch me dump the whole thing in.
Okay, mine is really good so far. So far. Okay, I think it's just sticking to me because either I have Tide on my hands or
If you had Tide on your hands, it wouldn't be sticking to you.
it's not working. Okay, I feel like this is gonna be a very like bubbly kind, which is good. So I don't know if you add the cornstarch first or after you add the Tide.
Okay, so now we just have water, right?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm gonna be so mad if you've steered me astray.
Well, that's what I did. And it worked for a little while, but then it melted. But I used the other stuff.
Oh, right.
Oh,
I'm sure I don't need all this water.
that's good. I really don't want to get... Oh, it's already on there. Okay, never mind.
Can you scooch over? I'm like out of the frame.
I was. And then you scooched over. Okay, I'm going to try and get this off of my fingers so it doesn't stick to me as much. So I think it might just be sticking to the slime on my hands. Or it's not. And it's just not going to work. But, you know, always think positive.
There's just slime on your hands.
Mm-hmm.
There's quite a bit.
Let's hope there's just slime on my hands. Come on. Would you like it if I had temper tantrums all the time?
No.
Why?
Because it'd be so annoying.
Okay. It's still kind of sticky, even with the Tide on my hands. It's still super sticky, actually. So I need... Whoa, that was a little water, really. Is it getting, like, jiggly? Yeah, it'll do that at first. Like, with the Tide, it always does that at first. And then it's good.
You have to be a slime expert to get as far as I have. You have to be an extra slime expert for it to be like the water.
Okay, can I have the Tide?
Is it jiggly? Wow,
It's getting there. It's getting there.
Or is it?
No, it's not. It smells gross. With others, you added the Tide. So, Riley.
You were literally holding the Tide.
I know. Because I'm not good like that. I think
The
I
slime
might
might be dead.
I know. Mine might be too. This might be the slime of fails. The
Slime
of fails.
time fails.
Hooray! Oh, wait. It's getting better, you guys.
It's like melting it.
Yeah, it does that.
Can you have warned me?
And then you put more Tide in it. Oh, look at it.
I might just not make this a jiggly.
It might just be an overactivated gross slime.
Fun.
Like a poopy color.
I think it looks nice.
I don't. No, it's kind of gross. What the heck? Put the Tide bottle in front of me. On purpose. I need more Tide already. Okay. I think I'm going to add the cornstarch after and see if I really need it. So here's...
What does the cornstarch even do?
It makes it good.
Wow.
I'm going to add a little bit more lotion on it. It's lotion right there. Okay.
It looks so white in the camera.
It does. Okay. Oh. Just broke the bubble.
It's getting there.
It's getting there. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. We can do this. Oh. Let's not.
The water made it like huge.
Yeah.
That was a lot of Tide.
Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna add a little bit at a time this time. Oops. Okay. So here's my tiny EDE piece because I'm scared I'm gonna ruin it. Ah. Wait. I almost broke my slime. I almost broke it. Okay,
Are you doing it?
I'm doing it.
I'm just gonna do it. Just go for it, girl. Just
So,
do it.
so I
So
think
much
I might
shiny
add.
stuff.
No. Okay. I think it's done, and I'm gonna put it in. Ready? This is it. Sorry about all the slime on my hands. Okay, it's tiny.
Okay, you have slime on your hands.
Okay, ready? I'm scared.
Fun.
Okay, ready? Set.
Okay.
I'm gonna like
And a little
spread
bit
it
more
out.
Tide, and then we're gonna just knead it. Take it out.
Set, go. It's on there now. Okay, look, Riley, it's on. It's on.
Wow. What an accomplishment.
I'm scared. Okay, let's do this. Okay, next. Mix it up. I really hope this works. I feel like it's gonna melt it. Because it's already kind of melting. Oh god. No. What is happening? Okay, let's see. Is it mixed? I don't know.
It's in my hair. I just realized
What?
I have a cut on me. I didn't know that before now.
Okay, so I need to mix this in a little bit more because it's still a little bit chunky. So mix it in a little bit more. There's still a few chunks that I need to like mash in.
It's kind of jiggly. Not really. Hey.
Mommy is here to save the day.
That's what I was gonna say. I never met someone who
Whoa.
thinks like you. Jinx.
Jinx again.
Our mental synchronization
Okay,
can have
let's-
an explanation. You and I just meant to
There's on my arm.
sing.
Okay. So there's eyes, like, it looks all weird. It looks like veiny. Veiny.
Did it feel good?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what I'm doing right now. Just trying to get a little bit out.
It's not a little bit, really. A little bit goes a long way. Kind of, sometimes.
With some things.
Feel mine, feel mine. It feels really good.
Sure.
Oh no.
Shouldn't have given you the glass bowl.
So now I'm gonna put this much in. It's a little bit more than I had last time, see? There. Okay, I'm gonna add it in. Go. Oh, that was weird.
I don't know what this slime is, but
It's like a weird slime.
it's unique.
It's unique in its own way.
Should I put more water in it? No.
I don't care. It's your slime.
But should I though?
Feel. Let me feel. It's not all the way mixed in, so it's a little bit chunky. I don't know. You can, if you want to. I think you could. Riley! She got green in my slime. Okay.
Well, your slime feels awful.
I'm gonna put it on the table now.
Also, we are going to be doing an ASMR section, so stay tuned. Is yours done?
No. I still need to add the crunchy beads.
Okay, well this video is really long, so you're just going to play with it as it is, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, because this video is already 22 minutes long.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go first when it comes to the ASMR-ness.
I still need to add a little bit more clay.
Okay, ready? Go. Ew. Wow. Never mind, I'm going to add a little bit more Tide.
Wait, I'm gonna try and spread it, see if it works.
Oh, not what I consider a little bit.
Before you go, keep going. I'm gonna add a little bit more.
Yeah, I don't know what this slime is. It's something special. Okay, now I'm going to begin. Okay, that's quite enough of that.
Let's see if it'll.
That was
Fun.
Oh, it's spilling.
Oh my gosh, that was amazing. That was my slime, by the way. Comment down who made the better slime.
Yeah, Emmy's gonna do ASMR right now.
I still haven't put the crunchy beads in, but it's okay. It's okay.
There's just no time. It's already 34 minutes. 30.
Oh, already 24 minutes. Hope you watched it at all. I'm just kidding.
You made it this far? Wow, you're a true fan.
I know.
You're a trooper. Slime's like partially jiggly.
Partially.
Look at it.
Yeah, kind of.
I could have, if I would have kept going, I could have made a jiggly slime. But I'm just going to leave it as is because I like it and I don't want to mess it up.
I really like it.
Okay, Emmy's going to go now.
Okay. So it does not spread. It is a very, very sad spread. But it's okay. Okay.
And while you're doing your ASMR, I'm going to wash my hands.
Okay.
Thank that booty. just put mine. Okay, we're gonna have to cut it short. By short, I mean 30 minutes. We have some people coming over to see my hamster. I got them from them, and they want to go check on their little baby. So, I'll see y'all later. Peace.